Ready, set, go! Another day, another visit from Spider-Man.
Will someone please remind me why this was a good idea?
What, I can't be in Queens? Hey, Slappy, ready for another round?
A C? I almost get killed by a gorilla, and all I get is a C? Oh man, if only I had something I could take this out on. Hello, misplaced aggression.
Time to settle this once and for all.
No, I feel like my heart's been ripped out. But I know who I can take it out on!
Hey, that feeling that just overwhelmed you? That's called losing. Agatha Harkness is faster than you. Madam Web is faster than you, and I don't even get the reference.
You got a black belt in stupid if you think you're gonna beat me. I must admit, beating the living snot out of you is a great honor.
I brought you this, Uncle Ben. For years, I've cherished it. It symbolizes everything you ever meant to me. Your belief in Peter Parker. It's the only fitting memorial for you, who were my father, teacher, friend.
You kiss your mother with that face? Jeez. Gonna be hard to copy that butt kicking. My slime ball sense is tingling. You've got great power, Albert, but you're not very responsible with it. Oh, ain't you just the cutest little thing? Sorry, little guy. Beating you up's like stepping on a kitten.
We know it's hard. But it's the truth, Miles.
Gwen! No! I've got to catch her. Stop her fall before she hits the water. I've got to. I did it. Oh, Spider Powers, I love you. And not only am I the most dashing hero on two legs, I am easily the most versatile. Who else could save a falling girl from certain death? Gwen? Hey, kid, what's wrong? Don't you understand? I saved you. You can't be. No, don't be dead, Gwen. I don't want you to be dead. I saved you, honey. Don't you see? I saved you. I'm gonna get you, Goblin! I'm gonna destroy you! Slowly! And when you start begging for me to end it, I'm gonna remind you of one thing! You killed the woman I love! And for that, you're gonna die.
Vengeance has been... How do you do that?
Alright, people, let's do this one last time. My name is Peter B. Parker. I was bitten by a radioactive spider, and for the last 22 years, I thought I was the one and only Spider-Man. What a day. I'm pretty sure you know the rest. You see, I saved the city, fell in love, I got married, saved the city some more, maybe too much.
Please don't do that, sir. Please, I would love to sit by myself right now. There's something real creepy about you, pal. You want to get weird? Let's get weird. You got a nice face. An anger problem? Living with them? Are you kidding me? It's frustrating. It's like, just get a job. I like your hat. I like how it's not a team or a logo, it's just blue. Would you rather be covered in fish scales or feathers? Scales? Why, you weirdo? You want to see me jump really high? I'm afraid of dying, man. Who am I? The enemy is inner me. The enemy is the inner me. Do you understand a word I'm saying? You just nodded everything. I need to change, and you showed me that. I have an anger problem. Thank you. Can I get a hug? What is your name? I can't keep thinking of you as my magical best friend with no name. Joe, Tommy, Lewis, Tran. Is it Tran? What a crazy guess. Beautiful name. Fits you perfectly. My roommates are killing me. I'm fine, you're right. Okay, I like them, all right? I hate myself. Is that what you want me to say? Why do you always have to make everything so simple? How do you just get it? How do I become you? Show me the way, man. I'll do anything. All right, man, I'm in. You lead, my man. All right, whatever's about to happen is gonna happen. Because you know what? No matter how many times I get hit, I always get back up. And I got a lot of time to reflect and work on myself. Did you know that seahorses, that they mate for life? Could you imagine a seahorse seeing another seahorse and then making it work? She wanted kids and it scared me. I'm pretty sure I broke her heart. Oh, something's happening to me, Jess. When I put my hand on this desk, I feel sexually proficient for the first time in my life. I'm President Miller. You're all fired. Bring our boys home. I want to wear this cap. I want to kill you. Because I respect you. I think I understand hunting. I didn't ask you. I'm talking to you. You want to come in here and charge me $1 billion? That's nothing to me. Want it? You want it? You're off the streets. I don't want to either. You're the best cop I got. This is President Miller of Earth. I'd like to speak to the Galactic Emperor, please. Yeah, it's about money. I'm gonna push a piece of paper across the desk that I've written a little number on. Why don't I just tell you? It's $5 billion.
You're the reason I had her, okay? I thought that if I did a decent job raising her, that there was a chance she was gonna turn out like you. And that got me excited because you are a wonderful person. And I like being around you.
Oh, yes! Never jumped off a movie car before. That was badass! Oh my God, it's happening! It's coming, I think I'm dying! Feel scared and excited!
You want to know what happened next? Me too.